What's up guys, welcome back to the videos. Today we are actually going to do something a little bit cool. This is our warehouse. This is actually where I work my day job, but it's big enough. It's for us to do car stuff in. Behind me is my dad's R35 GTR. Essentially this going forward, this area is actually, we're going to do a lot of the build videos for the R32, for my buddy Shayne's FRS, and a couple other videos, maybe my dad's R35 GTR. We got some plans for that too as well. So right now we're actually waiting on Shayne to show up in his brand new FRS he bought off of a guy. Story goes basically that this guy built the car and then kind of just got bored of it, and it kind of sat for about a year. This thing is insane. When you guys see it, you guys are gonna understand how absolutely amazing this car is. So that's our plan for today. Is we got a couple things to fix on the car. So we're gonna try to go over those and see if we can do those real quick. Just a couple things to look at. So with that guys, let's wait on Shayne for whenever the hell he shows up. We'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, so we are actually gonna go ahead and pull off the whole front splitter. So let me show you guys what we're actually doing. So Shayne, this little part right here has a nice fat dent in it because the guy that owned the car beforehand let his girlfriend drive it, and yeah, she hit a pole. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this whole front aluminum splitter off from the bumper, and we're gonna try to heat it up. And at least, obviously we know we're not gonna get this perfect again, but we wanna try to at least get the dent somewhat flat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the whole splitter off, which is like 14 bolts. And then we are going to try to heat it up and bang it out the best we can. So unfortunately, I don't think it'll ever be perfect, but we can at least somewhat get it looking decent. So insert time lapse now of us pulling this off. Perfect. All right guys, so we got the friggin' splitter off like 20 minutes later. Obviously we don't have a lift in here, so we're doing this. As you can see, we look like total morons laying on the ground, but there's a ton of bolts for this thing. This thing is absolutely insane engineered. The guy that put this together is was a monster, dude. But so this is, got a big old kind of dent here, and we need to bang this out. So we're gonna heat that up and see if we can press it down and see if we can bend it back out. But oh, hi, what are you doing?
How's it going?
You decided to join us, or? Sure. What are you doing? Oh,
I'm the official sprayer
of the Simple Green. All right, well, at least he's getting some work in. But anyways, yeah, so Simple Green. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, and then we're gonna try to fix this splitter. So somehow we'll see. So we'll be right back. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna take this out in the sun. So let's get this thing. All right, so let's get this in the ground. All right, so the next step here, I'm gonna set up the tripod, and we're gonna try to see if we can flatten this thing out. As you can see, that side sits lovely and flush. This side, not so much. So we're gonna try to heat it up. Obviously, we know we're gonna mess up the aluminum frame, but he's gonna paint this black anyways. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is see if we can heat it up and just step on it and get it at least somewhat flatter than what it is. And then we'll go from there. So we'll be right back, guys. We'll get the torch and get this bad boy going.
We're gonna need a hammer.
We're gonna need a hammer. I got a rubber mallet, so we're All right, so we got it banged out. Obviously my my camera didn't fucking record that, so we tried to get it all, but we got at least somewhat looking flush. So we're gonna go ahead and flip this over and see if we can maybe hand bend this out a little bit, see if we can flatten it out. But we ended up getting somewhat better. I mean, obviously once we paint this black, you're not gonna see this at all. I mean, you'll still see a wave, but it should be better. But yeah, my camera didn't record the process, which is really awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can hand bid this bitch out. So we'll be right back. We got the splitter off. It's sitting over there. You guys can't see it because of the sun. So what we're actually gonna do is Shane's gonna Scotch-Brite it down, and he wants to paint it black, like flat matte black. So we're gonna go right now and actually go get some paint. While we have it off, it's the best time to do it. But first, before we do that, Shayne is gonna go for a ride in his first GTR. So Pops back here is gonna take Shayne for a ride in his 2014 GTR that has a flex fuel kit, full titanium exhaust. This thing is insane. So we are going to go along for the ride in that. So let's do that right now.
This car is scary.
This is scary fast.
Yeah.
And it's only going to get faster. That's the scary thing. One more full throttle burst right here. Oh man, I'm straight pulling like a full G back. Oh my god. All right, so we are currently heading to the
Wally
World. Hopefully paint isn't sold out like toilet paper is. We're gonna head to Walmart, get some black flat paint for that front splitter, and then we're gonna paint that thing. So we are taking Shayne's car, which I will let you guys get a little gander of. There's the interior. This thing is pretty sweet. So we are actually gonna take his car and see if we can get some friggin' paint here, and hopefully flat black isn't sold out because of the apocalypse that's happening right now. So we'll see. Oh, okay, Mr. Air Ride.
Sorry, you got it.
You had to air ride it, dude. You had to. Your car is so small, I can't get the camera.
I'm sorry, man.
Your car is so tiny, dude.
Where are we going, right? Left?
Go right. Okay. All right, so we'll be right back, guys. We'll be back once we get to Walmart. All right, guys, so we are actually now gonna prep this for paint. So essentially we're gonna remove the two tie rods on the front, and then Shayne is gonna go ahead and Scotch-Brite the whole thing down. That way we can flat black it. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those, and then we'll get started with the paint. right, guys, so Shayne's pushing his car up. We've got the splitter ready for paint. So we're gonna go ahead and paint her up and see if we can get it a nice flat black. And then the next part of this video, which we'll probably have to do Monday, so we'll fast forward to that, we'll be putting the splitter back on his car. So when we have a lift, that way it's a little bit easier. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy painted. All right, guys, so we actually got it completely painted. Obviously, don't worry about the middle because that's gonna be under the car. So we basically just did, from like those bolts forward. So it's all blacked out.
Looks good.
It looks good. It's gonna look great on the car. So we are actually waiting. We're gonna wait until Monday to put this in the car because we have access to a lift. So right now we're just gonna let it bake in the sun for a little bit, for a few more minutes. And then Monday we'll throw the car on the lift and then we will put the splitter back on. So with that, guys, we'll see you as we fast forward to Monday. All right, guys, so we're back for the second half of this video. We are at SRD, Superior Racing Development, here in Phoenix and Tempe. And we are actually about to throw this bad boy on the lift and see about getting this splitter back on the car. And I think Shayne wants to look at the underneath of the car because when he purchased the car, he wasn't able to actually look at the underneath. So it'll give us kind of a double whammy here. But if you guys need anything here and you're in Tempe, Arizona, or you're in Arizona, SRD, we've been coming here for 10 plus years. Chet, the owner, is a friend of the family. So if you guys need anything, come here. This is the place to get it done. So let's get this bad boy on the lift. So Shayne, got it back on. We have not seen what it looks like black yet.
Not yet.
Go underneath here. Oh, look at this exhaust. Oh, great. There's the back underneath. Look at this thing. We're being smart and safe. We're putting wood underneath the tires. Go underneath again. So we have not seen the splitter black yet. And now we'll bring this bad boy down. Oh. All right, guys, so we got it on. Look at that thing. Shayne, how do you feel?
Love it, dude.
Yeah, you like
Good.
it? Yeah,
Does this mean we're professionals?
we're professional splitter repairers.
Hold up.
Okay, maybe not professionals, but we at least made it look semi fucking good. We banged out the front as best as we could. And now the next question is, can I talk him in to doing the back the same way? So we got the back splitter, or the back diffuser, and
Let the viewers decide. Should it be black?
yeah, what do you guys think? In the comments, do you think the diffuser should be the same color as the front splitter? You know, all three of you that are gonna comment on this, can you go ahead? Can you go ahead and give us a vote? All three of you, that'd be awesome. And then, yeah, so we're gonna take some shots of this bad boy outside because we haven't even taken any like video of this like outside since you got it. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, guys, thank you. Fuck you. All right, cool. All right, guys, so we got it on. Look at that thing. Shayne, how do you feel?
Love it, dude.
Yeah, you like
Good.
it? Yeah,
Does this mean we're professionals?
we're professional splitter repairers.
Hold up.
Okay, maybe not professionals, but we at least made it look semi fucking good. We banged out the front as best as we could. And now the next question is, can I talk him in to doing the back the same way? So we got the back splitter, or the back diffuser, and
Let the viewers decide. Should it be black? black.
Yeah, what do you guys think? In the comments, do you think the diffuser should be the same color as the front splitter? You know, all three of you that are gonna comment on this, can you go ahead? Can you go ahead and give us a vote? All three of you, that'd be awesome. And then, yeah, so we're gonna take some shots of this bad boy outside because we haven't even taken any like video of this like outside since you got it. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, guys, thank you.